Never let them know your next move.
Water on my butt like a tub. They got my little gun in the club. Don't worry about me, I'm a thug.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Wheel close.
Oh my god, ban? No.
Oh kurwa!
Can you get a pen? That's the size.
Yo, Travi, where them bars at? Okay, okay. It don't stop!
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
Special delivery for a chump named Sunrise.
Wait a minute, hold on. I know this weak-ass package ain't talking to me.
We got Paps on delivery, no shipping and handling.
I got your handling right here. Give me the pass. What's up? Come here.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Кто-нибудь дома?
Now you finally have to send you always money.
Was it me? Was it me? I love you.
Kitty cat, where are you?
Every second you're not running, I'm only getting closer.
Help. Help,
Mother, please,
instead.
I'm gonna die.
I see God.
Death awaits.
Stop now.
Hi!
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
What I thought I was getting versus what I actually got.
Just look at this thing. Hi!
In the hell kind of contraption is this? Hold on, let me just... Oh. Whoa, what the hell is that? Just a little shit. I bop you. And I bop you again. You know, I can't seem to figure you... Wait, oh, in the whiskers, screw you. You son of a bitch. Huh, get over here. You said... Oh, shit. I'm... You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Are you... You know, you're gonna be okay.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb ho-
Oh my god. Odie! Stop that! Get out of there! Stop! Jesus! Odie! Can you behave for 5 seconds? Be nice to Kane, please. Quit being a nerd. Stop it!
Hey. What? I think you have something on your tongue. Show it to me. I can't possibly look that fast. You gotta keep your mouth open.
Bleh.
Stop. I'm being serious. This could be dangerous.
See it?
No. Just stop.
Bleh.
Seriously, stop.
Fine. Billy.
He doesn't realize that I can put my finger through here. And so when he... What is that? What is that? You trying to find my finger? What? 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 Do you want head rubs? Not this. This. Not this.
Dogs are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. They must be God. Cats are like, this person feeds me, waters me, pets me. I must be God.
Holy shit.